Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 20.
Yes.
This is a case pertaining to the dispute between a couple, Your Lordship, and the settlement deed has been already finalized. So we have filed for a quashing of the criminal petition, Your Lordship. So we are praying for 1 week time. In this.
Who is the other side?
20 and 21.
21 is also an identical matter.
In 21, in fact, the settlement had arrived, Lordship. After the settlement,
In both the cases, petitioner is same.
it's
the same.
This would be the husband and wife, Lordship.
And then who is you are appealing for the respondent?
Yes.
Yes,
For this step.
I meant 20, I meant for the state.
Okay. Okay, so this on
20,
prayer made
21
on.
2021.
But then after 1 week will it be possible or? Alright. Okay. On prayer made on petitioner list after 1 week. Yes. 20, 21 both.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Highly pledge of the
Much obliged.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. I pray.
Yes.
Lordship, I have informed the MSL council. Lordship, I pray let this matter maybe come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh, you are for the state. Okay. Prayer made on behalf of Mr. S. to court the London Senior Advocate. The not objected by the London State Council. Stop. Comma. The matter stands adjourned. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Maso.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 8, 9, and 10, Your Lordship. This is a connected matter, Your Lordship. I pray for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No objection. No objection.
8, 9, 10, 3 weeks on the web. Yes.
All right.
Highly pledge.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Yes.
Lordship, there's the same matter, Lordship, which is pending before the division bench pertaining to romantic relations.
Petitioner is absent.
Is there? Item number 11.
Yes. Who is petitioner?
We'd informed
Mr.
Lordship.
Panthi. Yes. Just inform him.
Yes, we'd informed them, Lordship.
Okay. On prayer. List after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
May it please, Your Lordships.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, 16, and 17. These are connected matters.
Yes.
These matters had been referred for mediation, but settlement could not be arrived at. It's a dispute between the family members.
Okay.
I pray that the matter may kindly come up for hearing after 2 weeks.
The respondents, who are the respondents? You are for the.
I am for the state respondents.
Who is the petitioner?
I'm for respondent
Petitioner
number
is
4,
Mr.
Lordship.
Hassan.
Mr. SN is there. I have
Hassan.
informed the junior Mr. M.U. Ahmed.
Oh, you have informed already? Yes. Okay.
Yes, Lordship. I have informed Mr. M.U. Ahmed. I have messaged him.
Dr. P. Agarwal, London Council, appearing for the private respondents, submits that despite effort by the mediator, comma, the matter could not be settled between the parties. She therefore submits that no settlement could be arrived between the parties. Okay, she therefore submits that the matter requires to be heard on merit. Paragraph as paid for list after 2 weeks for hearing. Yes, this 15, 16, 17 all same. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. Your Lordship, this matter was referred for mediation, but no settlement could be.
No settlement.
No settlement. Yes. I pray the matter come up for hearing after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Same order, just say parties informed that no settlement could be arrived. Okay. And then matter requires hearing on merit. Just repeat the same thing and list after 2 weeks. Yes,
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. All right.
For the performer defendant.
Performer defendant. You are performer respondent. There is no defendant here. Yes. Anyway. Okay.
All obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship. I pray
Yeah.
for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
2 weeks on the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 14 also, Your Lordship. This matter was sent for mediation, Your Lordship, but it was not settled, Your Lordship.
Is it?
No
No
objection.
settlement?
No, Lordship.
Okay. The same order, parties and families, no settlement. When do you want it to be listed?
Let it come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, as per for, I've listed for 2 weeks for you. Okay. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 18. This matter was also referred to mediation, but there was no settlement. Lordship. I pray for 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
Many matters. These are all matrimonial matter.
No, this is with regard to the land dispute, Lordship.
Okay. Who is the petitioner?
Sir W. Jarwa is the petitioner.
You just inform them.
Yes, I'll inform you, Lordship.
This also Mr. So and so. Just give your name, please.
L codes.
Okay. Land and Council appearing for the respondent submits that despite effort with the mediator, no settlement could be arrived between the parties. And hence the matter needs to be heard on merit. Stop. As paid for, list for hearing after?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary causes. Item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For the respondent number 1, on caveat.
You're on caveat.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Just where is the caveat?
Give it,
Okay.
reference
Just
is
caveat,
given.
caveat petition, so. Yes.
It's there.
Wait,
Briefly, it's very.
wait. Let us discharge the caveat first. Yes, Mr. Person, Land Council, appearing for the caveator submits that he has received a copy of the civil revision petition filed by the petitioner. Civil revision. There is a copy of civil revision, copy of the petition of civil revision number 25 of 2025. He has received a copy of the civil revision number 25 of 2025. The caveat, the caveat therefore stands discharged by affording a chance to the respondent to oppose the motion of the civil litigation petition. Stop. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, a very limited issue in this matter, Your Lordship. Now, briefly, Your Lordship, what happened was that I'm the plaintiff in one suit which was filed in 2024, June. Along with that suit in 2024, June, I had also filed with miss case, which is a usual thing.
What is your prayer in the suit?
39.
Suit is for?
In that miss case was for an
Suit is for? Suit was
suit
for?
was for declaration.
Landed property.
Landed
Ignoring it.
property.
Yes.
Your Lordship. So, because there was an interference in the property that led me to file that suit. This disturbance by the respondent, particularly the respondent number 1, which is the headman of that village where the suit is located. So, what happened, along with the suit, I had also filed with miss case, Order 39, Rule 1 and 2. That miss case took almost over a year to decide. When it was finally decided, only a status quo was granted. That means both parties not to disturb the suit. After hearing both parties, that show cause and everything was fine. Hearing both parties, only a status quo was granted. Now, status quo was granted in the month of September this year. Now, after the status quo was granted, there was some talk about settlement. That was again, unfortunately, that was not on record. Now, during the talk of settlement, the respondent had approached the additional judge of district council, appeal against that status quo order. Now, in the first instance, when the appeal was moved, that additional judge had passed an order vacating that order without issuing a notice to me. So I'm aggrieved by that order. That order, kindly, Your Lordship, come to page, it's at page 71. It's a very short order. Page 71. The order starts from page 72. Your Lordship.
Yes.
72, the instant, let me read, instant application endorsed to my files also. And then after the fourth line, fifth line, the learned counsel of the appellant, Shri So-and-so, move the instant appeal, heard the submission of the learned counsel of the appellant. I have perused the grounds of appeal along with the materials on record. Next line, Your Lordship. After careful perusal of the same and after careful consideration of the matter, I am satisfied to admit this appeal. Kindly note, admit this appeal. And then what happens after this?
What is the problem with
the
that?
appeal is hereby admitted, register. What the problem is that the last line here.
Okay.
Meanwhile, pending disposal of this
Why
appeal,
you're skipping the middle?
operation
Just
of the-
read it. Just why you're...
Sorry. Issue notice to the respondent and pro forma respondent for appearance before this court by next date. Also, call for the case record of miss case number so-and-so and title suit number so-and-so from the lower court so as to reach this court by next date. Meanwhile, this is what I'm agreeing. Pending disposal of this appeal, the operation of the impugned order dated 11/09/2025 passed by the learned lower court in miss case number 73 is hereby state. This is the status quo which is state. Now, furthermore, Your Honor, it says, furthermore, the developmental project and activity shall continue pending disposal of this appeal. Now, because of this line, which says furthermore, this is the main grievances that I had filed a suit because there was illegal construction. Now, that was granted to them.
What is the development project? That has not been
Project,
specified in the order.
according to them, they're saying that some government project is there. But
No,
there's
but that
nothing
has
on
not been
record.
The court has not taken into consideration. It's
Nothing, not recorded the reasons, no finding, as in reflecting some document which is enclosed with the appeal, nothing as such. Just that straight one line order.
So what is your
My grievance is, Your Lordship,
what is wrong with the order?
there's no finding, Your Lordship. There's no reasoning. There's no reference to whatever document have been enclosed to substantiate the so developmental project. There's no reference as such. I highly agree with this order, Your Lordship. Because of this particular line where the court has allowed the developmental project, the suit has become to a certain extent infructuous. It has affected my suit. Status quo itself has already affected me because I'm not able to utilize the property.
Yes.
So firstly, my submission will be that they have come against an interlocutory order. It's only a stay of the status quo. Now, why the judge of this council had stayed may come to page 47 of the impugned order which I filed before the judge. Just Your Lordship may come to page
But then this revision is under what provision?
Your Lordships, they
It
have
is not under 115.
No,
What
sir.
does it have to do with interlocutory orders or non-interlocutory?
I'm not against that, Your
Irrespective.
Lordship. I'm just saying that it has come against a
But if you are
stay.
raising the maintenance issue, then you have to satisfy the court on that.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
I'm just saying that they've come against an interlocutory. There's no bar against them coming against an order.
Invoke 115.
Now, Your Lordship, why they have come also is against a stay order. Now, why the stay was granted, Your Lordship, may come to page 47 of the appeal of this revision. I'll just take quickly, Your Lordship.
Page 47.
Page 47.
Yeah, you sit down, Mr. President. Yes.
Lordship, page 47. This is the impugned order passed by the presiding officer,
Okay.
which has granted the status quo. Now, para 14.
Yes.
This court, upon prima facie evaluating the averments and document relied by both party, does not find it fit for grant of injunction.
Okay.
Now, Your Lordship, this in itself goes, after finding it's not fit for grant of injunction in favor of the petitioner, there's a competing claim of ownership over the sued land by the petitioner and opposite party number 1. Opposite party number 2, who then had recognized the ownership of the petitioner, has now denied the ownership of the petitioner over the sued land. So there's a finding there was no prima facie case to grant injunction in the first place.
That is why court had given a status quo.
Now, Your
is
Lordship,
why
that is
status quo was
against,
given.
even for grant of status quo, there must be a made out prima facie case. Now, in the absence of prima facie case, there cannot be any status quo. Now, Your Lordship may also consider another aspect. Plaintiff is claiming the entire village, 1,000 hectares of land. Now, in that land, there are several residents.
Just tell us where are the reflection of all those in the order passed by the appellate court. You may have a very good case on merits, but then does it give right to appellate court to pass an order without assigning any reason? Just show us any reason why this interim order was passed by the appellate court. There are catena of judgment wherein it has been held that the appellate court cannot pass an interim order without assigning any reason. Show us any reason in the order.
No, Your Lordship,
There is nothing. This matter will go back, will interfere with the order. Let the appellate court pass all fresh order after hearing both the parties. That is the only solution. There cannot be any other solution. Will interfere with the order, will send it back, let the appellate court pass fresh order after hearing both the parties.
Your Lordship may have it on next day. I'll give some precedence on this, Your Lordship.
Okay. We'll give him 1 week's time. Just
1 week's time.
In the meantime, there's a miscase pass. Please kindly urge. It's a miscase pass. It won't
Your Lordship,
affect
1
the
week won't make a
status.
difference, Your Lordship. They've been there since.
One will not make any difference.
It makes a huge difference.
Your Lordship, order was passed.
What is the kind of interference you are
Your
expecting?
Lordship, order was
That's
passed on
illegal construction.
14
Illegal
October, Your
Construction
Lordship.
will not be over within 1 or 2
It won't be over, Your Lordship.
At least a
And these
state.
were
No, you
continuing
do-
before,
you
prior
see-
to institution, so they were continuing, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
okay, we'll do one thing.
Just
You
to
will-
maintain
You will not
status.
carry on any activities.
Fine.
We'll just say that you submit, that no activities will be
Exactly.
taken up.
Exactly.
Till the matter is taken up after 1 week.
I'll urge.
Your Lordship, assistance in the court, my humble submission would be that let the matter be heard before the appellate court. We can fix the date and we can thrash out all the
Exactly, that is what. But then it seems Mr. Pasa requires some instruction. He cannot do it of its own. He has to take instruction.
Let
from
it come
his-
after a week, Your Lordship.
That is. But then you do not take up any activities in this.
We'll do it.
Raj.
Yes. Heard Mr. Marpan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Retrievable in 1 week. Mr. Pasa appears for the respondent number 1. Mr. Pasa appears for caviter stroke, respondent number 1. And Mr. Nangri Learned Counsel appears for the respondent number 2. And hence no formal notice is called for. Stop. As prayed for by Mr. Pasa. This is matter after a week. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner press for passing of an interim order in the matter. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 undertakes that no activities will be, no construction related activity will be carried on the suitlet till the returnable date. Stop. As paid for. List after 1 week. You have anything to say? Finish it. See, you cannot defend this kind of order. Have instruction, finish it.
I'll have instruction.
Deeply obliged. I'll urge.
The lawyer has limit, you see, cannot go beyond that.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Item number 1 and 2 are connected matters, Milos. They had come up, Milos, last time. These are matters, Milos, in respect of the Lokayukta proceedings which are now before the special court. And Your Lordship, we are challenging the basis of the entire proceedings, considering the fact that in item number 2 it is a contractor. And secondly, Milos, as far as even the officials of the...
Yes, your submission was that there is similar kind
Yes,
of matter court has passed some interim.
Yes, Milos. That order itself is, Milos, in the petition itself. In Milos...
What was the correction to be made here?
Correction,
Mr.
Milos, inadvertently, Milos, in the cause title, we had made the officer by name a party.
So that has been corrected.
Milos. The order Your Lordship can find, Your Lordship's order, it is at, in item number 2, it is at page 256.
No, it referred to item number 1. Why
Item number 1 also, I will indicate, just a moment, my Lordship.
Yes, yes. Take your time. Indicate.
Your Lordship will find it at 254. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is a miscase, separate miscase. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Anything
My lord,
you want to say
no, my lord.
against interim order?
It was this objection was raised by his AG, my lord, that we cannot receive notice on since it was reflected in the name, my lord. So since they have made the correction, my lord, then it's fine
You
with
have
us.
no objection to
No
the
objection, my lord.
interim prayer?
No, my lord. Because in the similar cases which they have enclosed, my lord, there we have not raised any objection, my lord.
Just, you have a miscase, separate miscase, Mr. Pandey?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Just the main case heard. Mr. Pandey, issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. You will appear for
One only, my lord.
SR Colony, London, GA, APS for restaurant number 1. APS for the restaurant number. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the restaurant number 2 and 3
Yes, ma'am.
within 2 days. List after 3 weeks. Come to the miscase. Miscase number 6 of 2025. Heard. Mr. Pandey, London Council for the applicant. Paragraph. That order is at page 54, you see.
254.
254. Next paragraph. This is an application for seeking stay of proceedings in special P stop C stop case number 1 of 2024. What a prayer page away. Just prayer pending. Where here also again you have given the name of the judicial officer. This is one thing you should check.
Yes, my lord. That is a
Verify.
mistake.
You see, just because anything you see.
Yes, my lord.
He's what? He's a special court or what? He's a
special court, my lord.
yes, pending
Special-
before.
Special judge.
Okay, PCK is somewhat so and so pending before the special judge. Come on, West Garo Hills, Tura. Now, if tomorrow incumbent is changed, then your order also will go.
Milords, hopefully the matter will be over by before that, Milords. But
You do not know. You do not
no,
know.
that's
See,
a mistake.
as per my
That's
view,
a mistake. That's a mistake. I accept.
This is application for application seeking stay of the further proceeding of so and so, isn't it? Then just learn a concept for the applicant submits. Submits that the oh, you are challenging to the validity of the entire proceeding.
Yes, my lord. Validity to the entire.
Okay, just say, Mr. Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant has questioned the legality and validity of the proceeding initiated against the applicant by the Lokayukta, basing on which the special PC case number so and so was initiated against the applicant. It is submitted that Meghalaya Lokayukta has no jurisdiction against the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. The Learned Counsel further contended that the inquiry and investigation conducted pursuant to the direction of the Lokayukta and subsequent filing of the charge sheet is contrary to section 20
Rules. Section 20.
of the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act.
Meghalaya Lokayukta Act. 2014.
Meghalaya Lokayukta Act 2014. He submits that the applicant cannot be made to face trial on the basis of wrong initiation of proceeding. And prays that the further proceeding of such and such case, okay, special case proceedings be stayed. Pending disposal of the main writ petition. Stop. Mr. Whose name shall we record? Mr. Sulai Leonard AG, assisted by R. Kamani. Prays for grant of some time to obtain necessary instruction. Stop. No serious objection has been raised by the AG against the interim prayer made on behalf of the applicant. Stop. Paragraph. As the applicant has questioned the legality and correctness of the entire criminal proceeding initiated against him, and the contention raised by the Learned Counsel for the applicant requires elaborate adjudication. It is deemed appropriate to suspend the further proceeding of special PC case number so and so pending before the special judge such and such as okay, till the returnable date. Stop. Next slide. List along with the main case.
Well,
Apply.
similar order, my lords, in item number 2.
Same case number?
Same.
Everything same?
Same.
Item number 2.
Item number 2.
Main case also same? And then miss case also same. Item number 2.
Apply.
Same
Apply.
counsels? Same.
Same.
You'll be there. Yes.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we have taken steps on the respondent.
So what is to be done? You will verify the status?
Your Lordship, we will just see because it's not yet available on the site, Your Lordship.
So then what is to be done? Then you will have to take fresh steps then.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, you will take fresh steps.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss, your name, please. What happened? Why you are leaving before the order is passed?
Sorry, Your Lordship.
Please tell your name.
Big Ghosh, Your Lordship.
Yes, Miss B. Ghosh, London Council. Appears for the petitioner. None appears for the state respondent number 1. The office note indicates that no service report has been received from the respondent number 2. The notice was issued on 15/10. Today is what date?
It's
Poor 11.
4th November. 4th November.
Shall you wait for service report or?
I'll just inquire from the post office, Your Lordship.
So that is what we are passing that order only.
Yes.
You verify the status.
Yes, Your
Okay. What is it? The stop. The petitioner shall verify the status of service upon the respondent number 2. Status of service on the respondent number 2, and file an affidavit. You file an affidavit thereafter.
Yes.
To that effect. List after. Stop. List after 2 weeks.
Please.
Hearing item number 4.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship,
You lift the mic. Yes, lift it. Yes, yes, yes.
Lordship, my learners leaner, they are supposed to produce the record today.
Yes, record is there, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship, I humbly pray that this matter comes up after 1 week, because
That
when
is what, so come to your prayer. Why you were concerned about them, whether they will produce record or not. Yes, we'll just, all along we have been adjourning on your request now.
I have no objection, my lord.
Lordship,
You have to maintain parity.
My lord.
Okay, on prayer made by Mr. Just
Mehtab Sarkar.
Mehtab Sarkar. On behalf of Mr. H. Hajarika, London Council appearing for the petitioners. Not objected by the London Council appearing for the respondents. This is a matter of 2 weeks. Will go.
My lord.
Yes.
God bless.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Uh,
You're supposed to give us some decision with regard to
yes,
the...
my lord. I have done some research.
Yes.
My lord, perhaps I'll require a little more time. I found one judgment, my lord.
Give us, we should be to the point. Do not hit around the bush, you see.
My lord, one judgment of Himachal Pradesh, my lord, High Court.
Yes. What does it say?
Just regarding
Tell
pleading.
what
my
does
lord.
it say before you pass it over.
My lord, this is regarding pleading, my lord. Whether rejoinder can be regarded as a part of pleading, my lord.
Yes.
So there it says, my lord, it can be regarded as part of pleading.
What is that part, particular part?
My lord, if I take my lord to...
Can it become a main basis? That is
there are
what-
20, my lord.
Yes.
20. And, of course, the relevant portion is the next page, but I'll still read, my lord, if I'm
This is
allowed
a second
to.
appeal.
My lord.
This is a second appeal, regulation second appeal. What we have to do here? We are concerned about the pleadings and writ petition. This is RSA number 277 of 2004.
My lord, para 12, if I take my lords to para 12.
Yes.
Now, what would be the effect of there being no specific denial in their application to a specific averment made in the written statement as earlier being dealt with this court in so and so, my lord? And there also the question arose as to whether the replication rejoinder constitutes pleadings under Order 6, Rule 1 CPC, and it was held that...
See, this is not at all to the query. These are all related to evasive denial, specific denial, strictly in terms of CPC, what written statement should say and what should not.
So, my humble and respectful submission, my lord, once the rejoinder has been allowed to file...
Probably do not go by this. Make some research. Probably there is the decision by Apex Court with regard to this also.
So, my lord,
the rejoinder, statement in the rejoinder. You need only to research in the proper line.
So, my lord, will kindly grant me a little more time, my lords.
Yes. You are happy? The time has been asked for, isn't it? Hmm? Okay. On prayer made by Mr. Kapi, but the Lana Council appealing for the petitioner. How much?
Lord, may I prefer?
For the 2 weeks time.
2 weeks, my lord.
Is granted to enable him to look for appropriate authorities in support of contention raised on behalf of the petitioner. What is it, Mr. Spencer? Okay, yes, enough, hold. Full stop, list accordingly. Down below, after full stop. Yes.
Much obliged. 6.
My lord, this matter, my lord, I missed the mention. My lord, if it is kindly listed after 3 weeks. My lord, because yes, my lord, the petitioner is approaching, as advised by the office, my lord, the petitioner is approaching the higher authority, my lord. And probably...
Settle it. Why don't you settle the thing?
The only limitation, my lord, is that what the cantonment is saying, my lord, they cannot extend beyond 5 years. So if it is beyond 5 years, my lord, it has to be done by a higher authority. Because they'll have to, what they are stating, because they'll have to go for auction and all that, my lord. That is the difficulty. So accordingly, my lord, we are approaching the higher authority.
Yes. What do you say?
I have intimated also, my lord.
Sorry.
I have also intimated the seniors.
This was on prayer of the Lana Council for the petitioner. Not object to the Lana Council appearing with the respondent. List after?
What if it is
3 weeks? 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
These are old matters. See,
yes, my lord.
Something is done. Do you not want to?
That is exactly my. Actually, that is my. The petitioner is trying his best, my lord. Some way to get the matter sorted.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
30.